Okay, we're here at 302 Harper Drive, and got a weekday upload here. Well, that's what this was. Shaft lights on. Let's go 3. Back to the ground. Nothing to see here now, is there? Probably maybe a former Series 1.
Series 1.
Yeah. So, okay, at least it wouldn't have been interesting anyway.
I also don't think it's that old.
I think it's from the 80s.
Any day now? Yeah.
That's it.